Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today discussion topic will be Germany study visa. Most favorite study destination of changes. Now youth want to study in Germany. It's a part of Schengen and dwelling of 84.1 million people. There were 5,72,465 foreigners in Germany with a specially temporary legal permit status in 2023. Foreigners with permanent residency permits are 2.64 million. So I personally recommend it to students. You should think about Germany for higher education. We can find two type of education structure for higher education in Germany. There are public universities and private universities. There is a fees waiver in public universities and almost it's a government funded, and private universities charges annually as per program. How to apply in public universities for UG? We need senior secondary certificate with 70%, and the next one is language requirement. We required 6 to 6.5 overall in ALS, and some universities require 6.5 overall in ALS and TOEFL 80 or 80 above. Some universities require B2 or C1 level in Germany language. This was the eligibility to get admission in university. If you meet the eligibility and obtain unconditional offer letter, then you can apply for APS certificate. It costs 18,000 Indian rupees approx. It is issued by the embassy and it takes 20 to 40 days. You must get this certificate before applying the visa application. After that, open blocked account, mostly consultant, open German bank accounts such as Finteba and Expatrio. You can open in India as well. Some banks in India like Kotak Mahindra Bank and ICICI Bank also offer this service. Then transfer amount 11,904 euro for a 12 months stay in Germany. Once the funds are successfully deposited and the provider will issue a confirmation letter. You will need this letter to verify your financial resources when you apply for your German student visa. And then after that, you have to arrange a health insurance for first 3 months, and there are some banks which provide health insurance with blocked account. Next process will be you need to fill out the application form on the provider's website with your personal details. This is often done online and requires information like your passport details and university admission letter. Gather all required documents, prepare two identical sets of your all documents and bring the original with you to the appointment. Do not staple any document, and key documents included a valid passport and A4 size photocopies of its data pages and three passport size photographs, university admission letter, all proof of application, APS certificate, proof of financial means, proof of language proficiency, CV and SOP, and then required academic transcripts and certificates. Book an appointment through the VFS Global website, attend your appointment and pay application fees. On the appointment day, submit your documents and provide biometric data, I mean to say fingerprints, and attend a brief interview and pay the non-refundable visa application fees, that is approximately 75 euro. The processing time usually takes between 6 to 12 weeks. Once approved, collect your passport with the entry visa sticker. This visa is typically valid for 3 months, during which you must travel to Germany. Within 2 weeks of arrival, you must register your address at the local registration office in Germany and apply for a resident permit at the foreigner's office before your initial visa expires. More information, contact us on displayed contact number and keep watching my channel for more informative videos and subscribe it.